1052 Silverstone Way. So this would need to be rekeyed. We have the kick plate here, which you could probably remove when you repaint the front door, which may have to be done when you change out the landlord locks. 1, 2, 3 windows so far, and 1 vertical. This is tile, and this appears to be laminate. The laminate seems to be pretty new, or at least in fairly good shape. We don't have a microwave in here, but these are solid countertops. The cabinet pulls, to me, look modern enough. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 windows and 1 slider. This side of the house doesn't really get sun, so doesn't really need a patio cover, but on rainy days, I suppose it's nice to have. They're fertilizing the grass now. Okay, light fixtures. I'm just going to point out these are all different light fixtures. It's $165 to replace a fan. It's about $200 to replace a light. There's another one here. This is a den. There's no bedroom. Window 5. I like the crown molding, personally. I like the baseboards. I've been seeing a lot of these baseboards lately. Walls are a little off-white, but I'm just going to say go ahead and budget for a painting, just because, you know, we have some colorful things and patchwork and such. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I believe this is window 6. Okay, it's buckling here. When it lays flat, it looks like it was cut properly. It's just not adhering properly. And this very small area is tile. Ideally, we want the tile to come all the way across. We need closet door guides here. The handles aren't matching. This little closet has gold. That has chrome. Brushed nickel. Looks like brushed nickel. And this is that gold, bronze. Flooring looks fine, except for this. What am I looking at? Okay, that's not. Okay, 6, 7. I think we're at window 7. We need closet door guides. That's a very interesting fan. And we have a greenish tile similar to the one in the kitchen. 8. That's window 8. Replace that drain ring. It's about $65. And that needs to be flush against the shower. So this is brushed nickel that matches the master bath. This is the older style bronze. Doesn't matter because we'd have to change those out like we do in all the properties to landlord locks anyway. But it's right next to this laundry pull, so I would recommend changing it out as well. We want to change that out to tile. The light doesn't work in here. We have these 4 as well, so if you change these 2 out, you want to change this one too. Make sure these all match. The thermostat, oh, that's an alarm system, so you would just remove that. Whenever it's painted, that's the thermostat. Okay.